The number of neurons in our brain is comparable to the innumerable stars seen on a clear, dark night, and the connections between these neurons are approximately 3 times the connections made on the internet globally. But what do we really know about these almost infinite interconnections in our brain? And will we one day have the capability of repairing errors that keep our brain from working optimally, as observed in brain pathologies such as Alzheimer's, stroke, and Parkinson's? Nowadays, we have a few tools that are used to study our brain, but they are still at very low resolution. Brain imaging, for instance, allows us to see clouds of cerebral activity, but not the individual neurons. How can we understand or even try to cure brain pathologies if we are not able to see the inner workings of our brain? This is exactly what NanoNeuro wants to achieve. Live ultra-high-resolution imaging of individual neurons to provide access to neurons that need repairing. NanoNeuro aims to design 2 types of very small nanoparticles, ones known as quantum dots, already used in QLED TVs, but applied here to track down neural activity. The others are plasmonic gold particles, commonly used in COVID-19 antigen tests that could behave as magnifying lenses to activate neurons by heating them with light. If everything goes according to plan, the result would be a safe, completely harmless, novel technology that will enable us to see the inner workings of the brain and activate targeted neurons using light. This technology could also be used in the clinic to help repair brain damage or strengthen weakened neuronal connections. NanoNeuro, building technology to unlock the secrets of one of the biggest mysteries in science, the human brain.